Harbor Hoist TRITON Series Control, Troubleshooting and Replacement of Main Control Board. It is very important that you recommission the lift as instructed in the operation manual. This includes verifying proper operation for raising and lowering without the vessel on the lift, as well as recalibrating your level sensor. Remove the screws around sides and bottom of the control housing. Note: leave the top screw on each side of the control, so this can act as a hinge to rotate the enclosure backwards on the control chassis. With the power disconnected from the control, verify the connections on the rear of the fuse holder are secure. Verify that connection to the bus terminals going to the GFCI and fuse holder are secure. If these all seem properly connected, then we must now look at the power connected to the main control board. Remove the 4 screws on the inside of the front housing that hold the faceplate module. Push on the studs to push the module out of the front housing. Unwind the module to loosen up the cable bundle to allow for easy access to the wires. Note: remember to rewind the cable bundle back up during reassembly for easy installation. With the power disconnected from the control, verify the power connections to the main control board are secure. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Verify if the power LED on the front panel of the control and the one on the rear are illuminated. If they are not, the main control board needs to be replaced. With the power disconnected from the control, remove damaged main control board from the front plate by removing the 4 corner lock nuts. Resecure the new main control board to the front plate with the 4 lock nuts. Verify that the model select DEP switch is set to the number of valves for that control. Use a small flathead screwdriver to slide the 3 micro switches to their proper switch location. There is a configuration table on the board for reference. Transfer one at a time the wires from the original control board to the new one. Verify each connection is secure as you transfer them. Repower the control and verify all features before reassembling. Before installing the faceplate module back into the front housing, twist the module a couple of times to wind the cables into a bundle. It will be easier to manage the wires as you are installing the faceplate module. Replace the 4 lock nuts that hold the faceplate to the front housing and tighten. Replace the screws around the perimeter of the front housing